In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Tarpapel in Microsoft Excel. If you are planning an event, preparing a simple promotional banner, or creating a visual layout for a school or community activity, you might be surprised to learn that Microsoft Excel can help you design a basic tarpaulin layout. While Excel is commonly known for spreadsheets and calculations, it also provides layout tools that allow you to arrange images and elements neatly on a page. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer and start with a blank worksheet. Once the program is open, the first thing you need to do is prepare the page layout that will serve as the foundation of your tarpaulin design. At the top of the Excel window, click the Page Layout tab. This section contains the settings that control how your page will appear when it is printed or exported. Inside the Page Layout tab, locate the Orientation option. This setting determines whether your page will be displayed vertically or horizontally. For tarpaulin designs, a wider workspace usually works best, so click Landscape. Using landscape orientation gives you more horizontal space, which makes it easier to place large images and visual elements across the page. Next, you will need to set the page size. Still within the Page Layout tab, click the Size option. A list of available paper sizes will appear. From this list, choose A4 or another size that fits the dimensions you want for your project. Selecting the appropriate page size is important because it determines how your layout will appear when printed or shared. With the page layout ready, the next step is to insert an image into your design. Tarpaulin layouts often include strong visuals that capture attention. To add an image, click the Insert tab located along the top menu of Excel. After that, click Pictures. This option allows you to browse your files and select the image you want to include in your tarpaulin layout. Once the image appears on the worksheet, you can move it to the position you prefer. Simply click the image and drag it to the desired area on the page. If the image needs to be larger or smaller, adjust its size by clicking and dragging one of the corners. Resizing from the corners helps maintain the correct proportions so the image does not look stretched or distorted. While positioning your image, make sure it stays within the printable area of the worksheet. Keeping your design within these boundaries helps prevent parts of the image from being cut off during printing. If anything appears too close to the edges, simply drag the image slightly inward until everything fits comfortably on the page. By adjusting the page layout and inserting a properly positioned image, you have now created a simple tarpaulin layout using Microsoft Excel. This approach allows you to organize visuals neatly and prepare a basic design using tools that are already available in Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.